Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to cut a shape in half using the scissors tool on Illustrator. First, create the shape you want to cut in half. Click on the eraser tool, but then hold. Then hover over the scissors tool. Simply click on the first anchor you want to cut from, and then the second. You'll now see that the shape has been cut in half. However, the outline, if you've got a stroke, isn't showing due to the shape not being full. We can fill the shape using the pen tool and connecting the anchors together, like this, on both halves. Thanks for watching.